Eukaryotic regulatory RNAs come in many flavors, characterized by their size, they may be long or short, by their origin, and the mechanisms by which they are generated and by the mechanisms they regulate the gene expression. It is now believed that between 30 to 70% of genes in higher eukaryotes are regulated to some extent by RNAs, with roles ranging from development to cellular homeostasis and protection of the cell from viruses and transposons. Furthermore, one form of regulation, that is RNA interference or RNAi, has been adapted for use as a powerful experimental tool to manipulate gene expression in many organisms. Several types of very short RNAs repress or silence the expression of genes with homology to those short RNAs. Depending on the origin and context, these RNAs act by inhibiting translation of mRNA, destruction of mRNA, or even by transcriptional silencing of the promoter that directs expression of that mRNA. तो ये जो है मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से, ये जो तीन यहाँ पे मेंशन किए मैंने तरीके, इनसे जो है आइदर ये ट्रांसलेशन पे इफेक्ट करेंगे या ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन पे इफेक्ट करेंगे या ये एमआरएनए को ही डिग्रेड कर देंगे. इस तरह से जो है ये रेगुलेट करते हैं. These short RNAs are often generated by special enzymes from longer double-stranded RNA or dsRNAs of various origins. The small RNAs have different names depending on their origin. Those made artificially or produced in vivo from double-stranded RNA precursors are typically called small interfering RNAs or siRNAs. Another group of regulatory RNAs is the microRNAs or miRNAs. These miRNAs are derived from precursor RNAs that are encoded by genes expressed in cells where those miRNAs have specific regulatory functions. A third class of short regulatory RNAs is the PV interaction RNAs or piRNAs, which are expressed predominantly in the germline and have features distinct from miRNAs. Both siRNAs and miRNAs are generated from longer RNA molecules by the enzyme dicer. Dicer is an RNase 3-like enzyme that recognizes and digests longer double-stranded RNAs or the stem loop structures formed by miRNA precursors. The siRNA and miRNA products are typically 21 to 23 nucleotides long, while the piRNAs are about 24 to 34 nucleotides long, and they are derived in a manner that doesn't involve a double-stranded RNA precursor. Instead, the piRNAs are generated by processing long single-stranded transcripts covering so-called piRNA clusters found in the genome. This processing doesn't require dicer. तो इसका मतलब है piRNA जो है वो सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड RNA से जनरेट होते हैं, जबकि जो siRNA और miRNA हैं वो डबल स्ट्रैंडेड RNA प्रिकर्सर से डिराइव होते हैं. These small RNAs inhibit expression of homologous target genes in three ways. Firstly, they trigger destruction of the mRNA encoded by the target gene. Secondly, they inhibit translation of the mRNA. Or thirdly, they induce chromatin modifications within the target gene and thereby silence its transcription. सो इन 3 तरीकों से ये जो है ये रेगुलेशन कर सकते हैं. Remarkably, whichever route is used in any given case, much of the same machinery is required. This machinery includes a complex called the RNA-induced silencing complex or RISC. A RISC contains, in addition to small RNAs, various proteins, including a member of the Argonaute family. The small RNA must be denatured to give a guide RNA and a passenger RNA. So this small RNA is degraded, denatured, and it produces guide RNA and passenger RNA. And the guide RNA is the strand that gives specificity to the RISC, while passenger RNA is usually discarded after it is produced. The resulting complex, which is the mature RISC, is then directed to target RNAs containing sequences complementary to the guide RNA. तो इस guide RNA के complementary जो sequences होते हैं, ये RISC मशीनरी जो है अब जाके वहाँ पे attach होगी और उसको फिर regulate करेगी. These target RNAs are degraded or their translation is inhibited. Typically, the choice depends in part on how closely the guide RNA matches the target mRNA. तो जितना ये गाइड आरएनए का और एमआरएनए का मैच ज्यादा होगा या कम होगा उसके मुताबिक ही इसको रेगुलेट किया जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ द सीक्वेंसेस आर हाईली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, as usually the case of siRNAs, the target is degraded. While if the match is not as good, that is, if there are several base pairing mismatches, as often in the case of miRNAs, the response is more often inhibition of translation. So, पहले केस में अगर मैचिंग बहुत ज़्यादा है तो mRNA ही डिग्रेड हो जाएगा, और दूसरे केस में अगर मिसमैचेस हैं, इतनी अच्छी जो है मैचिंग नहीं है, तो इस केस में ट्रांसलेशन इनहिबिशन होगा. In those cases in which the target RNA is degraded, Argonaute is the catalytic subunit that performs the initial mRNA cleavage. For this reason, Argonaute is often called slicer and mRNA cleavage is called slicing. A RISC can also be directed into the nucleus, where it recruits other proteins that modify the chromatin around the promoter of the gene complementary to the guide RNA. This modification leads to silencing of transcription. A distinction worth making between mRNA and siRNA is that the former act like traditional trans-acting regulators. They are encoded by a gene but act on some other gene. In contrast, siRNAs are typically generated by transcripts of the regions on which they act and are thus described as working in cis.